Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on scanning text from photos and videos on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This feature is super helpful in a lot of situations. For example, you could take a photo of a complicated Wi-Fi password and copy and paste it into the password field, instead of having to type the whole password in. Or take a photo of a sign in a different language and then copy the text and paste it into a translation app to easily translate it rather than having to type the words one by one. Open the photo or video that you would like to copy text from. If the writing is small, you can zoom in to see it better. Then hold down on the text until it is selected. Now drag the edges to select all of the text that you would like to copy, and tap Copy. You can now paste that text wherever you would like to. The steps are the same with a video. Just pause the video and copy the text the same as with a photo. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.